Hello, I am Mrs. Coniantalanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Coniantalanya Magnaye Quezon the First. I will describe my ninth page on my idea of statistic. So on the ninth page, it is the academic and non-academic page. So in here, what I put as an illustration is the map. So on the map, it is clickable until of where specifically wants to cite the information about academic and non-academic. So in here, if it is being clicked, this is what will shows the for instance, this is for example NCR, then to give if it is being clicked, for instance, on search bar it is being put NCR. Then if it is being clicked this arrow, it will leads to Taguig City. This is an instance. And then Barangay Pinagsama, then name of school. This is where I live at. That is what I put an example of in here. Photo clickable. So what is the content of it is what being written in here, such as facilities 300 facilities. It is a page on website of a specific person looking for a student of where to study. So this is the ninth page. So the facilities, if it is being clicked in here, it leads onto this one. Not know what to say. This one is non-academic. Facilities. It is in here. Facilities. The meaning of facilities in here is such this being shows on computer about the site of facilities, and then it is 360-degree camera so that it could be sight the place of school when the person is looking for the student to study on specific school. It is such this of what is I write in here. The next is equipment, and then information for primary or secondary and tertiary, and then information about the school is being posted as well on in here when it is being clicked. Then next is it is as well I put in here homeschool of where in my thinking process is a teacher, for instance public school could be a teacher that teach on public school face to face, could be a homeschool teacher such that. And then it is written in here the contact number, profession, and then email information, and then schedule for the teaching as homeschooling. So that is the ninth page of the website about statistics. am on thinking, I am on currently thinking when it comes into, uh, I am such that, I not know why, I am inside of the car and then thinking of it, of what count of school should be on a specific place, such as in here NCR, what number of school uh, should be has on the specific location, such that, and then it is balanced when it comes onto it is balanced when it comes onto number of school, and then the location, and then the direction when it comes onto surrounds of it, such that that is my thinking process during year 2023 2023 or year 2022. This one is year 2021. And then next is, I am not yet done thinking of it. Scenery is what myself is. I not know. Basta myself is work, love, life, travel, and then college degree is me. Business guys. And then next is non-academic. Non-academic. So, on non-academic portion, it is as well uh, on 10th page. The 10th page is non-academic non-academic page. So, in here, I I draw this search bar, which is keyword, and then states. I use the word states, region, there is region. I am on difficultness, states or region. Wait, why? Because of because of it is three location, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Goodness is me. I not think of any bad. What is on myself is, I am thinking on, when it comes to states word, I am thinking of such as proper word to name Luzon, Visayas, and then Mindanao. If it is states or region, I not know. So I put in here Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao as a category. So on non-academic, what myself puts is such as sports and then skills. And then my thinking process when it comes onto non-academic here Philippine is not active or active. I not know. I am just at the gig city. What is on myself? It is not active. I not know. I put in here painting, drawing, author, dancing, singing, and then sports, and then opera, music, design, design, sports, theater, and then language. Design. Right. Then, for instance, this is Luzon. On Luzon, 360, it is being view, and then it is clickable when it comes onto the specific information about specific institution information about, such as name, location, and then information, requirements, contact number, and then contact person, offer, and then of what is being offered on that non-academic specific skills. I need to show this. because this is idea. Ayun. I need to say about 7 years of black magic, all of my talking, so that myself will be on a pampering and relaxation. Pampering meaning there is no doubt of thinking of other that I talk about, think about, such that. That is why I talk. So now I am on the 10th page. Hmm. I asleep a while ago, and then I just awake at this moment, at this hour, for 4 hour and 57 stroke of clock. And then next is this one, company. This one is my favorite. This one, 11th page. Ayan. And in here, in this 10th page, it is, in here, for instance, there is in this on company, it 10th page. What it is about industry on country, such as food, oil, telecommunication. I not put other industry because of this is impromptu, meaning to say of what I just know. I not use cell phone during I create this. Writing, talking, drawing. That is what my doing inside of my bedroom. Next is, so if it is being clicked the food, the food, for instance, food and beverage, it is look such this. Instance is a word for alternative word example. I not use the word example, I use instance. At the moment, it is not yet, when it comes into vocabulary, the meaning of it, of where to say instance and then where to say example. I not think of it yet. So at the moment, I am using the word instance. So the next is, if it is being click the food and beverage, it will shows the foods and beverage in here. Then could be could be cite alphabetically of list of the company that food and beverage company. And then it could be clickable if it is on Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. I feel happy. Why? My feeling when it comes onto this idea of statistic is happy because it is Microsoft Excel file and then software. At the moment, I not yet on Microsoft Excel, but myself is could feel about Microsoft Excel, the look of Microsoft Excel, put, putting data on it. I feel energized. So in here, when it is being clicked, it will shows on this below the company that is being clicked on this list of foods and beverage. It is such this because I not know what food and beverage here Philippine is those. So the box is the my I create this portion of box in here is the logo of the company, and then the company A is for instance of the name of the food and beverage company. So if it is being clicked, it will shows the information, but when it is on the website it is look like such this. For privacy purpose, that is why it is such this only. Next na, wait lang. It is 58, 15, 16 minutes. This is my favorite part of website. I will end my video at the moment. I will create new camera video for Jablis. So it is 16 minutes and 38 seconds.